Let's create your first project and assign team members. From the sidebar, click on all projects. There you can see all the project list here. You can manage them as well. Creating new project, you can select a new project. You can provide project name, a brief description. All the members that you have been invited who have accepted their invitations will now appear in the team members list. You can sign and unassign this project to them. You can also edit their permissions scope. Once you have filled all the informations, you can hit the create button. Upon creating, the project will be created and live now. The project will show up that how many team members are included in this project. You can also edit the project settings. You can sign, unassign new team members or unassign existing team members as well from the project. You can manage their permissions at any time. You can also archive this project if you want to do that. This will remove all the users' access who have been invited to collaborate on this project. You will find an option called Project Configurations under the settings. This project configuration lets you to send you the stand-up updates and Call of Duty options. This requires Slack integration. Once you will integrate your Slack with your workspace, all the options related to it will appear. Perfect. Now you know how to create projects, manage team access, and configure project settings. In the next video, we will explore how to create and organize tasks within your projects. Thanks.